Hey scientists, it's Flipgrid Friday! Whoop whoop! You know the drill. Click on your homeroom teacher's name. I'm going to choose Hubbard. And when you go to Flipgrid, that's where your directions are. It's not that I just want you to make a random video, although I love seeing your faces and that would be fun, but your video has a purpose. What's my purpose, you're asking? Well, anytime you click on the grid, when you scroll down, there are your directions. So it says that your goal is to make a model to show which star will be the brightest when viewed from Earth. Supplies, you're going to need 4 objects total. 1 to represent Earth, and then an item to represent each star. You're going to use the data below to set up a model of the Earth and stars. Your model will not be to scale. From Earth, which of the stars will appear the brightest? So the stars that are going to be in your model are Polaris, Sirius, and Betelgeuse. Okay, so after you've read the directions and you're clear, so what your video is going to include is your model of the Earth and the stars, and then tell me what star is going to appear the brightest. So once you're ready, you click on the plus sign, and it's time for you to have your video. Well, I am not going to show you the model. I'm just going to show you the supplies. So I have a star. This is going to be Polaris. This is Sirius. And this is Betelgeuse. And then I have the Earth. So I'm going to tilt this down just slightly. So what I'll need to do is I have Earth. And then I'm going to go back to the directions, and in the directions it tells me the distance. So whichever star is closest, I would put it closest to the Earth, and then I would lay them out. Okay, now right now I'm just randomly laying them out. And then you're going to tell me which of the stars is going to be closest. Okay, so lay out the Earth and the stars according to the distances listed in your directions. And then tell me, of those 3 stars, which is going to be the brightest. All right, you've got this. Show me what you know.